Hello guys, so welcome to Basic Tutorials. And in this tutorial we are going to learn how to remove audio from any video. Maybe you are working on a project, you've gotten a video but you don't need the audio in the video, so you want to remove it and maybe do a voiceover or insert a new track. This video is for you. Before we go deeper, please subscribe to the channel. Just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that when I upload videos you'll be notified to watch. Now the app I'm using here is called Inshot. Inshot, you can get it on Google for free and use it. It's great. It's a great app for videos and other things. So I'll just choose video, click on video, and I'll just click on the plus sign, then choose the video I want to remove the audio from. So I'll choose this one. Just click plus. Okay, so let's try it. The video, right? So I want to remove the video, the audio from the video. So what I do that I'll just slide to the right and click on volume. Okay, so you can see the volume is 100 here, but it's not up to 100%. You know, so I want to remove it. So I'll just drag it to 0. Muted. I'll just click on the tick sign. So let's try and see if you can hear the volume, the audio, sorry. Okay, so it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. So now you can do whatever you want to do. If you want to add, you can do it. Track. Just go to music, click on music. So track. You can track on the application. You can use your own track. Use effects, special effects here, and you can record yourself and do a voiceover. It's easy like that. And so that is all. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.